Hello, my name is Farron with Step Above Marketing. Hope everyone is doing well today over at Slater Aesthetics. I spoke with you guys a few days ago to inform you that I have a custom video that I can send to show you how to expand your business. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go over three main areas. It's going to be citation, it's going to be content, and backlinks. So those are the three main areas we focus on when growing a business on the internet, specifically Google. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start with the customer journey. For the sake of the example, I'm using one of the services that you guys provide, which is micro needling. So we're going to use that for the example. So say someone, when they're looking for micro needling, most of the time they're going to go online, they're going to use Google. Okay, so this right here is what we call the map pack. So showing up in the top three for this map pack, it allows you to get 30% of the traffic that lands on the first page. Showing up down here in the organic results, they get 70% of the traffic. Okay, so if we go down, a business that provides micro needling wants to make sure that they're on this first page to get the bulk of the traffic. Okay, because once you get down here, most customers don't go on to page 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the traffic starts to die off if you're on the second page, okay? So we want to make sure that we help people to get on this first page and stay there. Now, the top map pack is crucial, and the way that you get your business up here is with the citations. So every time your name, phone number, and business address is listed anywhere across the web, that gives you a citation for your business. So we're able to find out how many citations your competitors have, and then we give you at least 50 more to start out. And then we continuously add on month after month after month with the citations and the listings to help you get in this map pack here. Okay, so the way you get up here is by having your content optimized, and we'll go over that here in a moment. But getting those citations and having an optimized Google profile is what's going to get you here for the results in your area. All right, so we're just taking a quick look at the Google profile that you guys have now. So not only do you want to have citations, you actually want to have your profile optimized. And one of the ways to do that is Google reviews. So that's good. You guys have been getting the reviews. So just getting consistent reviews from the customers. Another way to optimize this is to have all your products listed. So if you had your products and services listed, they would show up here. Everything that you have, there's a picture that would appear with the name of the service and whatnot, etc. Having the proper description that has keywords in it for the service that you provide in the area. And also having these post updates here. So congratulations and good job on having the post here, guys. You want to keep this updated. So that's another element of having your profiles totally optimized. So having these consistent posts, having the keywords in your area in here, having your products listed here with the pictures, and then the reviews. So it looks like you guys are just missing the product review pictures, and maybe a few area keywords in the description, but it looks like a pretty good profile. So yeah, with the help of citations, you guys would be ranking better in the map pack here for certain words, that services that you provide. So what we're going to do now is move on to content. Okay, we're going to move on to content because that's important in getting your page and information on the first page of Google. All right, so when someone is looking for a service, Google likes to provide them with a website that has the best information in the area. So we at least have 1,500 words on our main pages. And if your competition happens to have 2,000 words, well, then we go 2,500. We do a little bit more than whatever the competition is doing. But for a default, we always have at least 1,500 words on this main page. So having all of your, pages structured under here is good. I like that you guys have, I love this logo. I love this logo. I love the colors and the pictures and whatnot and the structure that you have. So just noticing that the page could use some more content, some more wording. I love these pictures. I love the videos down here, the information that you have your Instagram. So yeah, for this main page, just having some more wording here will help it to rank with Google and get favoritism with Google, and having some keywords in here. I didn't notice a direct keyword except for right here. So top med spa in Atlanta. Med spa in Atlanta is something that a customer would type in, so this is a good keyword. But we also need to have it at least 3 more times in the context so Google knows, yes, this is a good med spa in Atlanta web page to pull up. So we'll put it on the first page of the search results. Okay, so I see it here, but I don't really see med spa in Atlanta, those exact words together, anywhere else on the page. We need it on there at least 3 more times to get this page optimized to pull up to the top. Okay, so let's also take a look at the side pages. Now for the side pages, we also do at least 500 words on the side pages, making sure we have enough content. And we also, on every page, we make sure that there's a main keyword and focus that we're looking for that a customer would use. Okay, so here's you guys' microneedling page. It looks good. Looks like it has a good amount of information. So just making sure it's at least 500 of these words. If your competitor has more, then we would up that. But yes, what I'm noticing that we don't have here is we don't have a specific keyword. So for microneedling, having Atlanta microneedling in Atlanta, having that word in here about 3 to 4 times and having it in the heading here is what's going to have Google pull this page up when someone is looking for this service. So I don't see the keyword Atlanta microneedling anywhere in here specific. So optimizing this page for that would help you get more traffic for that service. All right, so that's for the content. I'm just going to go ahead and show you some of the content on a competitor's website. What I wanted to focus on here is the keywords that I'm speaking about. See how they have Atlanta cosmetic surgery and med spa. So having that there in the header as a main header word lets Google know, first of all, that they are a cosmetic surgery med spa in Atlanta. And then having it down here some more times is what's going to help them. They have Buckhead cosmetic surgery, non-surgical men's procedures in Buckhead. So they're trying to signal to, the search engines that they have these available in the area. And I'm going to be honest with you, this page here could even be optimized better. So they have the headings down here, but on this particular page, having that word in the actual descriptions as well, the keywords Atlanta microneedling, is what's going to help push the website to the top again. So I just kind of wanted to pretty much show you. Hold on, let's just go to their microneedling page. This is their main page, excuse me. So if you look on their microneedling page, see how they have microneedling in Atlanta when we go to the service pages. So this is what we're looking for, and having it, multiple times throughout the context. So it looks like this is a good optimized page here, better than their homepage. See, here it goes again, microneedling cost in Atlanta. So having that riddled through there, and there's better examples even than these folks here, but they're just a step ahead with that in how they have the heading, keywords in the heading. So you guys have a good site and everything like that. I'm just optimizing more keywords so you can be specific and dead on with who you're trying to target. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move on and talk about backlinks, last but not least. Okay, so this right here is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on in the background with a website, showing me all the details for a website and all of that. So I put in your website, and here's your profile. This right here just shows your ranking status and your numbers between other websites on the internet and whatnot in your industry. And then this right here shows how many backlinks you have. So a backlink is basically a shout out from another website. So if you've ever been on a website and it has like a button or a link that you click on, and when you click on it, it takes you to a whole nother website. That's what a backlink is. It lets Google know that you are an authority. It helps your business website out, especially when you have other beauty professional websites pointing back to yours, there's opportunities to do that. There's so many different ways that you can get a backlink, but ultimately having these backlinks point back to your website from other outside sources gives you credibility and it helps build you guys up. So, getting backlinks over a course of time consistently helps with the rankings for all of those keywords that you want to be first for. All right, so I'm just doing a side-by-side. I'm going to do a side-by-side of your competitor so we can kind of see what's out there and how much room it is for expansion. So this is a popular website in the area that's getting a lot of traffic. So you just kind of want to, look and see the potential of traffic that's out there. They have a nice amount of backlinks and whatnot. So it's kind of like a complete formula of everything that's going to help you with the traffic and the customers. So since they're getting about 18,000 and you guys are getting about 750 a month, they have some good optimized keywords and whatnot. And backlinks that's ultimately pulling a lot of power, that's causing customers to come to their website and click, and it's driving all that traffic. So, just making sure you get those pages optimized, you'll be able to get a lot of this traffic that these guys are getting and get, ranked on that first page. This is something that we love to do. We've been successful helping other beauty professionals in other states. Now I'm looking to work with someone in Atlanta, a med spa, only one person. We hope that's you. And also, again, I hope you did learn something from this either way, even if you don't need our services to implement. And we also run, just to let you guys know, we also help people with ads, Facebook ads and Google ads and YouTube ads. And that has been successful in bringing in a lot of bookings and patients. So if you would like to hear anything further, you can always reply to the email that this video is coming from. And you can give us a call at 470-458-1811. And again, my name is Farron. Thank you for watching. Take care.